Hello and Namaste. Welcome back to Joint Watch. In this video, we have prepared the list of top 10 schools in Pokhara 2020. These lists are not ranked as per the order of best among them. Moreover, we consider this video as an informative guide for students and guardians to find the best schools in Pokhara. Sainik Avasya Mahavidyalaya Pokhara. Located at Fulbari, Pokhara 11 Kaski, it is one of the best schools in Nepal. Sainik Avasya Mahavidyalaya was also ranked number 1 by Himal magazine in the list of top +2 schools throughout the country. It was established in the year 2061 BS. It is a public school run by the Welfare Fund of the Nepalese Army. The school provides world-class quality education to the children of the Nepalese Army, in service and ex-army personnel, and the children of civilian families as well. The school has also bagged the regional championship trophy of Real School of Nepal for 2 consecutive years, 2075 and 2076. Motherland Secondary School. It was established in 2051 BS with the main objective of imparting quality education. Motherland Secondary School is one of the best schools in Pokhara. It is located at Pokhara 7 Masbar. The school provides information and communication technology and conducive environment teaching and learning methods. The school is also rewarded as the Best School of Western Development Region 2073 by Ministry of Education of Nepal. It has also received the Best National School Award 2075 by the Ministry of Education. The school assists in the overall development of students. Sagarmatha Secondary School. Established in the year 2057 BS, Sagarmatha Secondary School is one of the best schools in Pokhara. The school has maintained a consistent record of progressive success. It is located at Naya Bazar, Pokhara. Sagarmatha has a team of renowned, qualified and dedicated teaching staffs. Students get to study in an interactive and appropriate environment. Pratibha Secondary School. Located in Palikhe Chowk, Pokhara 3, it was established in the year 2043 BS, which makes it one of the oldest private schools in Pokhara. It has received its ISO 9001-2015 certificate. The school is committed to excellence and quality education. There are dedicated, cooperative and qualified teaching staffs to guide students towards quality education. It is one of the most chosen schools in Pokhara. Balodaya English Boarding Secondary School. It was established in 2045 BS and is one of the oldest private schools in Pokhara. Balodaya is a full-fledged school with its proud heritage of quality and excellence in imparting quality education. It is located at Balodaya Marg, Pokhara 17. The school focuses on recognizing the individual strengths of students and motivate them to grow more. Balodaya is one of the top schools in Pokhara for quality education. Kaski Modernized Academy. Established in the year 2055 BS, Kaski Modernized Academy is one of the best schools in Pokhara. It is located at BP Marga Chauthe, Pokhara. The school is a pioneer in providing quality education and overall development of students. The qualified and dedicated team of Kaski Modernized Academy is focused on providing quality education to the students for a bright future. Kumudini Homes Secondary Schools. Located at Gairapatan, Pokhara, Kumudini Homes Secondary School was established in the year 1987-80. It has imparted quality education in Pokhara since its establishment. The school is located in a beautiful environment. It focuses on discipline, attitude building and self-consciousness of students towards life. Qualified and dedicated teachers always look forward to providing excellence in education. Tops English Boarding School. Located at Ramghat, Pokhara 10, Tops English Boarding School was established in 2049 BS in Pokhara. It is one of the best schools providing different faculties in +2 level. TOPS aims at developing skilled individuals to lead a quality life. Students are encouraged to involve in extracurricular activities along with academic activities. The school provides quality education and has maintained its consistency well. Karunanidhi Education Foundation, KEF Secondary School. KEF Secondary School is one of the leading educational institutions in Pokhara. It is located at Simpali, Pokhara 1. It was established in 1993 AD in Pokhara. It has been imparting quality education since then. The school is located at a peaceful environment. It focuses on attitude development and academic betterment of its students. Srijana Boarding School. It was established in the year 2050 PS at Srijana Chowk, Pokhara. It has been serving in the educational development of Pokhara ever since. The school is determined to provide quality education and academic excellence to the students. The qualified and dedicated team serve their fullest to achieve excellence of the students. It is one of the most chosen schools in Pokhara. So this was the list of top 10 schools in Pokhara. Thank you for watching. There are many quality schools in Pokhara and here we have enlisted only the 10 of them. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Jain's Watch. Thank you for watching. See you next time.